Hi everyone, it's Kylie here from GF Oats Australia. I just have something really exciting to show you. We have some beautiful little snack packs that a local company has especially made us for our online store and to go with our biscuits. What's special about these is as they are reusable. So we're trying to share ways that you can reduce the amount of plastic that we're all using. Now these little fellows here, the koala ones, can just fit your one biscuit in. Now they have a little lining inside of them and that makes them reusable. So effectively you could use that all week in your lunchbox and then just chuck it in your washing machine or your dishwasher at the end of the week. This one here, if you're going out for the day or you need to store some biscuits when you're going out, pop a few in there and you are good to go. So at the moment we have the koalas and we have the gum nuts. I'm going to put in the comments below a link to the bags in our online store. Now we have a gorgeous little competition running now till the end of March. I'm going to put a link in the comments below so that you can go straight to the page and download this particular form. What we need you to do quickly is to just get your children to draw their favourite way that they like to eat oats. So it could be a bowl of porridge or a slice, whatever is the go in your family, and the winner will actually win a kids pack. So there's some instructions on here, just follow them, use the hashtags, and that'll run till the end of March. Thanks everyone for joining me and enjoy the beautiful snack packs.